video is going to show you how to move your Marketing Myself video into our class drive and then access our class drive for the assignment. So here is Madeline's and Callie's Marketing Themselves video, and I can right click on the video and choose to move to. Now who uploaded this to their drive? Madeline, you did it to yours, right, baby? Okay, so you did that from your cell phone, which is why I'm saying that having the Google Drive on your cell phone is so important. So once you upload it, you can then go to Move To, and it's going to give you some options here of where you want to move it to. Do you want to move it to your drive or a shared drive? So we want to move it to a shared. And we're going to move it into First Block because that's what class you're in. And then I can actually go and find the folder that's called Marketing Myself Video, and we can move it here. Now, we've already moved it there, so you can see it right here. And what's cool is it's saying that you can't add it a second time, so it's graying that option out. Okay, so then a question that I've got from a couple students at home, it says, how do I find this class video? So when you log into Google, and as Renee taught us, you go to the waffle. And then over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a button that's called Shared with Me. So if I click on Shared with Me, you're going to automatically see some things that your classmates are doing in class, which is cool, which is why I do that Shared with Me option in our folder, because now you can access their stuff. But we scroll down, and we should be able to find the folder. My eyes are old. You did see it? Yes. Let's see. I think if we organize this by who shared it, maybe. Last shared by, nope, shared date. I'm going to do it the opposite way. And there it is right here. So it was shared on the 24th. Now once you open up that shared folder though, and you go back to the Shared with Me, it should populate to the top. But this is how you find your shared folder, and then you can watch the videos of your classmates. And so now we have 6 of the 20 videos that we need in here.